In a landmark move to address the growing financial pressures facing vulnerable Americans, the Social Security Administration, SSA, has officially authorized a one-time supplemental payment of $100 for eligible beneficiaries. This critical relief measure comes as millions of seniors and disabled Americans continue struggling with persistently high costs for essentials, including housing, healthcare, groceries, and utilities. Unlike regular monthly benefits, this special payment represents additional financial support that will not reduce or replace standard Social Security disbursements. The payment will be distributed to recipients across 3 key federal assistance programs: Social Security, retirement benefits, Social Security Disability Insurance, SSDI, and Supplemental Security Income, SSI. To qualify for the full $1,100 amount, beneficiaries must demonstrate continuous enrollment in these programs for at least 3 consecutive months prior to distribution. Those with shorter enrollment periods may receive prorated amounts, though exact calculations remain pending final SSA guidelines. Payment distribution will follow a carefully structured rollout schedule based on the last 4 digits of recipients' Social Security numbers, with deposits beginning March 15th for numbers ending 22499, followed by subsequent waves on March 22nd, 2500 to 4999, March 29th, 5000 to 7499, and concluding April 5th, 7500, 9999. The SSA anticipates most direct deposits will process within 3 business days of these scheduled dates, while paper check recipients should allow additional time for mail delivery, particularly in rural areas or regions experiencing postal delays. Crucially, this supplemental payment has been classified as emergency assistance and therefore will not count as income for determining eligibility for other critical federal programs, including SNAP food assistance, Medicaid healthcare coverage, or Medicare benefits. While the payment is exempt from federal taxation, the SSA notes that individual states may apply different tax treatments, prompting recipients to consult local tax authorities or financial advisors about potential state-level implications. The administration has issued urgent warnings about potential fraud attempts, emphasizing that legitimate SSA communications will never request sensitive personal information, payment processing fees, or account verification through unsolicited calls, texts, or emails. All payments will be automatically issued through beneficiaries' existing distribution methods without requiring any action or response. For financial planners and advocacy groups serving vulnerable populations, this payment represents a vital opportunity to address pressing needs. Experts recommend prioritizing allocation of funds toward overdue utility bills and housing costs, followed by essential medical expenses and prescription refills that may have been deferred due to financial constraints. Where possible, creating even a modest emergency fund buffer could help mitigate future crises. Recognizing the complex needs of beneficiaries, the SSA has significantly expanded its support infrastructure ahead of the rollout. This includes tripling call center staffing, extending service hours for its toll-free assistance line 1-800-772-1213, and implementing comprehensive updates to the official My Social Security online portal, where recipients can verify their eligibility status, confirm payment dates, and access personalized planning resources. Community organizations nationwide are mobilizing extensive support networks to help beneficiaries navigate the rollout. Area agencies on aging are offering free counseling sessions to assist with budget planning, while legal aid societies are providing guidance on protecting against financial exploitation. Many local senior centers and public libraries are also hosting informational workshops to ensure all eligible recipients can access this critical support. As the first payment date of March 15th approaches, beneficiaries are strongly encouraged to monitor official SSA communication channels for updates. Those without existing online accounts can register at ss.gov My Account to receive real-time notifications about their payment status. The administration has pledged to maintain transparent communication throughout the distribution process, with scheduled updates to address any emerging questions or concerns. This historic relief measure reflects the federal government's recognition of the acute financial challenges facing fixed-income Americans during this period of economic uncertainty. While the supplemental payment provides immediate assistance, advocates continue pushing for broader reforms to strengthen the long-term sustainability of Social Security programs and ensure adequate support for vulnerable populations in future crises.